What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got a lot going on today, and a little bit of a mixed bag. We're going to be kind of here, there, and everywhere, but one of the projects we're working on is trying to fit this massive freaking heat exchanger that's meant for a 05 and up Mustang into the LX. So wish us luck. Let's do it.
Trim it back a little more there.
That's better.
Yeah, it's better.
Definitely better. So. Yeah, it's gonna have to come back some more. It's on this fan.
It's just gonna be on there, baby, brother.
Yeah. I mean, it's on it.
It was, bud.
Yeah, that's tight. But considering this thing's made for an 05, you know, and up, that's a big freaking heat exchanger. No, not too bad. All right, guys, so right now what we're working on, this is the bumper cover out of the car, and trying our best to trim everything as nice and as little as possible. But as you can see, we've had to take quite a bit of material out. Now you can't really tell it once it's on the car, obviously, but you're always nervous cutting around body panels and stuff. But when you're trying to put 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound bag, that's kind of what you have to do. So
Yeah, we might have to build a little back up here and there or something, but
we'll figure it out one way or another.
get it where we can fit something first.
Right. Better.
Yeah,
oh, it's
throw
tight.
the hose on there, I guess.
Yeah. It's you make a tight angle around there, but yeah. Yeah, we're looking there. Oh yeah. 100% better under there.
Yeah.
Just enough.
It's so tight.
Yeah, it's very tight. But so is everything else. All right, boys, so we're looking actually pretty freaking good now. And you see it's on there and up against it, and it fits. I guess you could say it fits after lots and lots of trimming. But yeah, this thing's coming along, guys. I know we haven't had an update on this car in quite a while, but just a lot of the little details have been happening, like running fuel lines and all that stuff, which you guys don't really want to watch for the 5th, 6th time we've done it. But yeah, guys, she's coming along. We had to modify the filler neck. That had to be sent off and cut down and welded and stuff like that. But doing the wideband install, which you saw us doing, the convertibles. So again, I didn't figure you wanted to watch that for the second time. But fuel tank is in. Lines are not secured. They are on the car. They're just not secured where they're supposed to actually, where they're actually going to live. But again, y'all, this thing is getting very close. If you're new to the channel, this car came back and did the Whipple fuel system, Viking coilovers front and rear, upgraded the 6R80 transmission with better clutches and input shaft, blah blah blah, and on and on and on. This thing is going to be nasty. All right, guys, had to do a quick update. I didn't do another video of a teardown because we've torn down so many stock 5.0s already. It was kind of pointless, but as you can see, guys, project 4 to 8 just about ready. We just need a few parts, some gaskets.
Maybe next weekend, huh?
Yeah, probably next week. But we literally, guys, we sat here, all the everything is scraped and clean, all the gasket surfaces, which obviously we'll go back with a rag and some brake clean, but everything's stripped down, just waiting on the cam from my buddy Mike. He shipped it out, so we shall have that very shortly. But I mean, we literally sat here with a wire brush and brake clean and cleaned this thing within an inch of its life. It looks freaking phenomenal. Ready for, you know, everything's torn down, cam is out, timing covered, and all that stuff is ready to go. So project 4 to 8's engine is just sitting here waiting on some parts, and it'll essentially be ready to drop in very shortly. It's all plugged up. And this engine's clean, guys. I mean, you can tell this engine is extremely clean. Just waiting on some parts. It's going to be epic. All right, boys, next on the docket, because I promised you we had a mixed bag going today. We're taking this car over to Nick's. This is going to be his project going forward, so sending that over to him. Got to get this thing on the trailer, but in taking it over to him, we are also going to pick up Boomer's Black GT with the freshly shaved engine bay. So that should be exciting. But yeah, we got to get this thing loaded up. And there's Boomer's car. Let's go check out Boomer's car. We'll get this unloaded after that. But, and guys, I know you've been asking about the cab for the 71. There it is. But let's get in here and check out Boomer's ride.
Or some clear that I don't like, but
Oh hell, it happens, right?
yeah.
It's black
I
too.
usually use that clear, but
Oh man.
I couldn't get my hands on the other stuff that I normally use.
Ooh. Man, that looks great. Wow. Guys, it has just been sprayed. Literally just been sprayed. So it hasn't been, I mean, it went down this flat. So it's going to get polished and cut and buffed and all that. But my God. And see, also one other thing he does, it doesn't cut the pinch weld off, but you can see he trims it back a little bit, and which cleans it up. But oh, this engine bay looks freaking great. Absolutely amazing work. Yeah, this car looks great. There you go, Boomer. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I hope those things will go up on there. Alright, hold on. I have to move these plants. Gotta love them dollies though.
I put some dollies on there because I can't climb in and out of it, you know.
Right.
I just go up under.
Sweet. Alright boys, she is up there. Get her back to the shop. Nice. Alright boys, so there you go. I know we're a little bit all over the place today, but lots and lots of progress on all of the different projects. As you can clearly see, especially if you're new to the channel, we have no end of new projects, and it never ends. Also guys, if you had not caught the video, this one's getting the turbo build, so keep an eye out for that. It's going to be freaking sweet. Engine is already here. You probably can't understand me because of all the wind, but hey, it'll be all right. So yeah guys, we're gonna get this back to the shop. In the meantime, if you like the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and yeah, that's it. Later guys.